How to fix Instagram login problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. So first thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager and then go to the apps like this. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll, click on TikTok, click on this option to stop the app, and then go to the notifications management. Make sure that the badges option is enabled. Go back, click on the data usage, make sure that all these options are enabled, and then go to the storage. Click here on clear data and clear cache, and then go down here. You will find this open by default. Click on open supported links in this app and choose ask every time, and then go back to the settings. Click on the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it for 10 seconds and enable it back. Don't forget to like, subscribe.